Hey guys, it's Brittany, and thank you for clicking on yet another fall-inspired video. If you guys didn't know already, you should know now. I love fall. That being said, one of my best friends, Hannah, is coming over. We're just gonna show you what we do when we hang out and we don't really want to go out. We just want to stay in and connect and have some quality time. And hopefully it'll give you guys some ideas of what to do with your friends during this fall season. If you guys do enjoy the video, remember to go hit that like button below and leave me a comment telling me what you're looking forward to doing with your friends this fall season.
Baking is something that I love to do by myself or with my friends, and guess what? In fall, they have my favorite Pillsbury pumpkin cookies. You can almost never find them, but I found these ones at Costco, and I was so happy. They have the pumpkins and the ghosts, and they're literally ready in 10 minutes, so it can just start off your day. The whole house smells like cookies. It is literally the best and super easy. Next up, we are doing a paint night together. So my friends and I don't do this often, but we do it when we're in kind of a creative mood. So you're gonna get all your paint set up, make it super cute. I got little easels off of Amazon, and then you paint whatever you're feeling, and you end up trading and just touching up the other person's painting. It is so fun. It's a fall classic. We can't have a fall night without it. It is a movie night, so put in your popcorn, get some butter ready. And I'm really feeling a rom-com. So tonight we actually ended up watching The Hating Game with Lucy Hale, and I really liked it. It was super cute. And then something that I feel like is just more specific to mine and Hannah's friendship is we do go out for late night food. Tonight we actually got slushies from 7-Eleven, and then we headed all the way over to Boston Pizza to get their Bandera bread because it is so good. If you don't eat this late at night, you're doing it wrong. And then that was our whole night together. So she left after she dropped me off at home, and then I just did my normal nighttime routine, which is just reading a book before I go to bed.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us as much as I enjoyed hanging out with you. I hope I gave you some ideas of what you can do with your friends this fall. Literally, after I just do anything that's inspired by fall, I just want to curl up, grab a good book, maybe like eat some pumpkin cookies. Have a great night. It was so nice to hang out with you guys again, and I'll see you on Friday.